Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start with the important current affairs from the perspective of prelims in the art and culture subtopic of GS paper 1 UPSC CSE examination. यूपीएससी में आर्ट एंड कल्चर के अंदर जो करंट अफेयर्स का पोर्शन है हम उसको कवर कर रहे हैं आज. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स है जिनको आज हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे आपके प्रीलिम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से. So to make sure that you are having your notes with you, you are having your notes registered with you so that you can make running notes in the class itself. Let's start the session without any delay. Before that, here's a small announcement for all of you. In this session, Ethics in Governance, it will be a free session on Unacademy Plus. It will be Unacademy's UPSC CSE Mentor Workshop and it will be conducted on 28th of November at 5 PM. 5 बजे ये सेशन कंडक्ट किया जाएगा अनअकैडमी प्लस के प्लेटफॉर्म पर. So what you have to do is to watch this session for free, you have to download Unacademy's learning app. Okay, after downloading the Unacademy learning app, register or sign in on the app, select the goal as UPSC CSE, then click on the link to enroll in this session which is given below in the description box, and you can use this code ARPITA10 to unlock the plus experience for free and start learning from the best. तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि अनअकैडमी प्लस पर आप सभी जितनी भी क्लासेस दिखाई जाती हैं राइट, उसको फ्री में अगर आप एक्सेस करना चाहते हो तो ये चांस है आपके पास. अनअकैडमी का लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए और फिर उसमें डाउनलोड करने के बाद अपने आप को साइन इन कीजिए, रजिस्टर कीजिए. ईमेल आईडी को रजिस्टर करना होता है. उसके बाद यहाँ पर अगर आपको एक इनवाइट कोड सामने आएगा, अगर आपको फ्री प्लान को अनलॉक करना है, देयर विल बी अ फ्री प्लान. इफ यू वांट टू unlock that plan, you can use this code ARPITA10. Type this code and you can watch all the lectures of Unacademy Plus free of cost. तो इसको ARPITA10 कोड को यूज करके आप Unacademy Plus पर कोई भी लेक्चर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देख सकते हो. ठीक है, so you can use this code ARPITA10 to watch any lecture free of cost on Unacademy Plus. And Mrs. Roopa Moudgil is an IPS officer. She'll be taking classes on ethics and governance on Unacademy Plus for free for all of you on November 20th 5 PM. She'll be helping you solve the case studies in ethics paper, how to deal with them. Do watch this session. Link is given below in the description box. Let's start with the first important current affair. That is the Harikatha. Now, what is Harikatha? कथा मीन्स स्टोरी. कथा का मतलब क्या होता है? स्टोरी होता है. हरि मीन्स लॉर्ड विष्णु. ठीक है, हरि लॉर्ड विष्णु के लिए यूज किया जाता है वर्ड. सो हरि कथा इज अ ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट स्टोरी टेलिंग. इट वॉज इन न्यूज फॉर इट्स रिवाइवल ड्यू टू पैट्रोनेज फ्रॉम वेरियस कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो ये न्यूज में क्यों था? बिकॉज इट इज गेटिंग दिस ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट स्टोरी टेलिंग, इट इज गेटिंग रिवाइव्ड नाउ. सो व्हाट इज हरि कथा? ये हरि कथा है क्या? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट फर्स्ट. So if you can see, Harikatha is a form of Hindu religious discourse in which the storyteller explores a religious theme usually based on the life of a saint or a story from an Indian epic. That is Harikatha. तो इसको हरिकथा बोलते हैं. हरिकथा में क्या होता है? स्टोरी टेलिंग की एक कला है जिसके अंदर किसी साधु संत की लाइफ से स्टोरी सुनाई जाती है या किसी इंडियन एपिक महाभारत या रामायण की स्टोरी सुनाई जाती है या किसी भी रिलीजियस थीम के अराउंड कोई स्टोरी सुनाई जाती है. It involves narration of a story intermingled with various songs relating to that story. तो स्टोरी में कोई कविता है या कोई गीत है तो उसको भी साथ साथ सुनाया जाता है, गाया जाता है. And it can be, the story may be from any Hindu religious theme. Okay. Now this point is important for prelims. It originated from Ajda village of Sri Kakulam in coastal Andhra. तो कहाँ पर ये ओरिजिनेट हुआ? कोस्टल आंध्रा में, in the Ajadu village of Sri Kakulam. Its aim is to imbue truth and righteousness in the minds of people and sow the seeds of devotion in them. तो भक्ति के बीज बोने के लिए लोगों के हृदय में, लोगों के दिलों में इस हरि कथा का प्रचलन है. It aims to educate people about knowledge of Atman, that is self, through stories and show them the path of liberation. तो बेसिकली लोगों की हेल्प करना कि उनको आत्म साक्षात्कार जल्दी हो सके. तो डिवोशन के माध्यम से लोगों को समझाया जाता है कि परब्रह्म क्या है. ठीक है. The next is Alpana folk art. As you can see on the screen also, this is the Alpana folk art. The traditional Bengal art of Alpana, invoking the gods with finger-painted motifs, is now all but lost. So this art form is also getting revived. तो ये बंगाल का आर्ट फॉर्म है जिसमें you can see that finger paintings are done. ठीक है, Over here you can see the figures are, these are finger motifs of gods which are drawn on the pleats of cloth. Bengal mein it's very famous. This Bengal folk art practiced by women, underline this, where the finger is the brush, that means with your fingers you draw these drawings. Okay, and a paste comprising mainly rice powder. So this whitish paste you can see through which the painting is made, this is made up of rice powder. It is the paint. Once adorned the walls and floors of houses. Traditionally green from leaves and red from sindoor is used as colors. तो green color leaf से लिया जाता है इस folk art में. It's a form of folk art. Okay, ये एक local art है, folk art है, और इस red color सिंदूर से बनाया जाता है. The motifs, that means the drawings which are drawn, they are ritualistic images from mythology and scriptures. Now an effort has been mounted to save this art from slipping into oblivion. So basically, to safeguard this art form, to revive it, responsibility has been taken by Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. With the help of Daricha Foundation, they are trying to revive this tribal art form. Okay. The next important pointer, next important current affair, as you can see, unprecedented new details of medieval cities hidden under jungle in Cambodia near Angkor Wat has been revealed using lasers, shedding new light on the civilization behind the world's largest temple complex. तो आप इधर देख सकते हो, unprecedented new details of medieval cities hidden under jungle in Cambodia near Angkor Wat has been developed, has been excavated. Angkor Wat, what is it? It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site which is seen amongst the most important in Southeast Asia. It is considered one of the ancient wonders of the world, and it was constructed from the early to mid 1100s by Khmer King Suryavarman II. This is again important for prelims. It was first a Hindu, later a Buddhist temple complex and largest religious monument in the world as well. तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी अंकोर वाट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. प्लीज इस पे थोड़ा सा फोकस ज्यादा कीजिएगा, ठीक है. Another important current affairs is regarding the personality. Shyamji Krishna Verma. So who was Shyamji Krishna Verma? If you have studied modern Indian history, you would know him. अगर आपने modern Indian history पढ़ा है तो आपको जरूर याद होगा that he was the founder of Indian Home Rule Society, India House, and the Indian sociologist in London. And also his birth anniversary celebrated every year on 4th of October. He was also an admirer of Lokmanya Tilak, and he supported him during the Age of Consent Bill controversy of 1890. He rejected the petitioning, praying, protesting and collaborating policy of Congress party. So you can say that he was an extremist, because the policy of praying, petitioning, protesting, it was the policy of moderates. Okay, so Shyamji Krishna Verma, he rejected the moderates' philosophies, and he was an admirer of Dayanand Saraswati's approach of cultural nationalism and of Herbert Spencer. Krishna Verma believed in Spencer's dictum that resistance to aggression is not simply justified, but it is imperative also. Okay, so he was an extremist who also represented India by establishing India House organization or association in London. तो इन्होंने India House Association London में establish किया था, which was later on closed by the Britishers. He also founded Indian Home Rule Society and the Indian Sociologist in London. So this is very important fact regarding Shyamji Krishna Verma. Coming on to the next very important personality, that is MS Subbulakshmi. The United Nations issued a stamp to mark the birth centenary of MS Subbulakshmi. She performed at the UN 50 years ago, making her the first Indian to have the honor to perform in United Nations. She was a Carnatic vocalist. She was the first musician ever to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, which is India's highest civilian award as well. She is the first Indian musician to receive the Raman Magsaysay Award, which is also Asia's Nobel Prize. So you can see MS Subbulakshmi is one of the most highly respected personality when it comes to the Carnatic music era. We have studied about music, Carnatic music, Hindustani music in our art and culture classes as well. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. आपको ये important current affairs updates अच्छे लगे हो, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ. Make sure that you are making notes from these sessions because it's very important for your prelims examination. Okay. So on this note, we are wrapping up this session. Thank you everyone for participating in the class, and do not forget to join this session for free on Unacademy Plus, Ethics in Governance by Mrs. Roopa D. Moudgil. The link is given below in the description box. Thank you.